Hello, everyone. Welcome back to channel. I am your teacher, Leo. The year is almost over. Can you believe it?
Hello, everyone. I am Anna. I can't believe it either, Leo. Where did the time go? I feel like yesterday was January and today is December.
Time flies when you are having fun, Anna. You look very excited today. Is there a special reason?
Well, I am excited, but also a little bit nervous. My company is having a big party this Friday.
Ah, the famous year-end party. That is the biggest event of the year for many companies.
Yes, but Leo, I am shy. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to wear, and I'm afraid I will drop food on my boss.
Don't worry, Anna. Dropping food is not an English problem. That is a gravity problem. But for the language part, I can help you.
Oh, thank you. I need to survive this party without embarrassment.
Listeners, if you also want to be the star of your year-end party, or at least survive it, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, click it. Join our party crew.
So, Anna, why are year-end parties so important?
I think it is a time to relax after working hard all year. No emails, no deadlines, just food and fun.
Exactly. It is a celebration. But in English, talking about parties has special vocabulary. If you know these words, you will feel confident.
Confident is good. I want to walk in like a movie star, not like a scared mouse.
Today, we will learn 7 key words to help you navigate the party, from the beginning to the end. Are you ready to party, Anna?
I was born ready. Okay, that's a lie. I'm ready to learn first.
Before the party starts, you need to know 2 things. First, where is it? In English, we call the location the venue.
Venue. Is that just a fancy word for place?
Yes, place, general, like my house, the park. Venue, specific for an event, like hotel ballroom, restaurant, convention center.
I see. So if I ask, where is the party place, it sounds simple.
Right, but if you ask, what is the venue for the party this year, you sound professional.
The venue is the Grand Hotel. Ooh, sounds fancy.
Now the second thing, what do you wear? This is the dress code.
Dress code. That means rules for clothes, right?
Exactly. Imagine this. No dress code, pajamas, please don't. Formal dress code, suit or evening gown.
My invitation says smart casual. What does that mean? Do I wear a smart hat?
No, smart casual means nice clothes, but not too formal. Nice jeans, a shirt. No shorts, no flip-flops.
Okay. Checking the dress code is very important. I don't want to be the only person in a Halloween costume at a Christmas party.
That would be a very memorable mistake. Now you are at the venue. You are wearing the right dress code. What do you do next?
I run to the buffet and eat everything.
Anna? No. You need to talk to people. We call this socialize.
Socialize sounds like work.
It is fun work. Socialize means to mix with people, talk, and be friendly. At the office, work talk. At the party, socialize.
So I should not say, "Hey boss, did you finish the report?"
No, that kills the mood. You say, hey boss, are you enjoying the party?
Got it. Socialize equals friendly talk, no work talk.
When people are happy and talking, we say the party has a great atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Like the air?
Yes, but it means the feeling of the place. Boring atmosphere, Quiet, phones, great atmosphere, music, laughing, talking.
I hope my party has a great atmosphere. If it's boring, I will hide under the table.
Please don't hide, Anna. You can help the atmosphere by smiling. Usually, in the middle of the party, the big boss stands up with a glass.
Oh, yes, the long speech.
Sometimes, at the end, everyone raises their glasses. This is called a toast.
A toast, like bread? I like toast with butter.
No, not that toast. Toast, bread, is food. Toast, party, raise your glass and say cheers.
So the boss says, let's propose a toast to a successful year, and we drink.
Correct. But Anna, be careful with alcohol.
Why? Is the juice poisoned?
No, if you drink too much, you get tipsy.
Tipsy, like a cat name?
No, tipsy means a little drunk. Sober, no alcohol. Tipsy, a little for happy. Drunk, too much for bad.
Ah, tipsy is the middle zone.
Exactly. At a company party, a little tipsy is okay, but never drunk.
Okay. I'm just tipsy, boss. I can still walk.
Maybe don't say that. Just drink water. The party is over. The next day, someone asks, what was the highlight of the party?
Highlight, like a marker pen?
Yes, same idea. Highlight means the best, most memorable part.
Example, the highlight was when Leo danced on the table.
I do not dance on tables. That is a rumor.
Okay. Another example. The highlight was the lucky draw. I won an iPhone.
Perfect. Highlight equals the part you remember most.
For me, the highlight is always dessert. Chocolate cake wins every time.
Anna, I think you are ready now. You have the vocabulary.
Let me check my checklist. Venue, place, dress code, clothes, socialize, talk to people, atmosphere, feeling, toast, cheers, tipsy, a little drunk, highlight, best part.
Perfect. You are a party expert now.
Yes, I am a party animal.
Yes, but a professional party animal. Year-end parties are a great chance to practice English.
Yes, smile, relax. If you forget a word, eat a cookie.
Great strategy. Now, question of the day.
Tell us in the comments, what was the best highlight of a party you attended?
Or tell us, what dress code do you like? Formal suits? Casual jeans?
I like pajama party dress code. Very comfortable.
Write your answers below. Please like and subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories.
Don't be a party pooper.
A party pooper is someone who ruins the fun. Don't be that person. Join us next time.
Bye, everyone. Happy partying.
Goodbye. Happy New Year.